these next videos up a little bit so that we have some smaller videos. In this one, we're going to go ahead and take a look at a simple graph. And so a simple graph is exactly what you think it is, nothing fancy on it. So you're not going to have any loops or any of those parallel edges, right? So any of these things where you had two paths go to the same one, we're not going to have any kind of loops like we did in the previous ones. In a simple graph, an edge with endpoints v and w is denoted v comma w in what we call our fancy brackets, right? Our curved brackets. So this tells me my vertices, and then I'm going to have a connection between them, which would be the edge. All right, let's take a look at this example problem. Draw all simple graphs with the four vertices u, v, w, x, and two edges. So only two edges, one of which is uv. So one of them has to be uv. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I have four. So I'm going to make, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I may not need all these, and we could just erase them later if we don't need them. All right, so now I'm going to label. So UV, WX, UV, WX, UV, WX, UV, WX, UV, WX. All right, let's take a look here. All of my UVs have to be connected because it says so, right? It tells us that those two are going to be connected on all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and get those all connected. Oops, I didn't label this one. Let's go ahead and take care of that now. All right, so now what we have to do is put one more edge on, and that's it. So I can do UW, and there's a new shape. So that's done with that one. I could do didn't mean to do that. I can do UX, and then that would complete a graph. I can do VX, and that would be a new one. I could do VW, and that would be a new one. And then WX would be our last one. And I don't think we have any others. I think that's it. Okay, so these would be an example of drawing simple graphs with four vertices and two edges. So we're just going to go ahead and erase this last section because we don't need that.